are we?
What if I told you there's a place where people have powers like us? The city of Adeline. And I can take you there. We're Inhumans.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind.
Brother, sooner or later the humans are going to find us.
Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying.
Their first course of action will be to try to destroy us.
Run!
I'm only human after all.
We need to go to Earth now. We need to strike first.
It would only lead to war.
Are you speaking for yourself or for our king?
Some people got the real problem. Some people out of love. Only human after all.
Maximus is trying to take over Adeline.
Don't put the blame on me.
Are you going to kill your only brother?
Don't put the blame on me. Stop it! Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. I'm only human after all.
Honor me
I'm
as
only
your new
human
king.
after all. Don't put the blame on me.
Never.
Don't put your blame on me.
You're just a human.